Okay, let's look at our second problem with forming equations, or second example. And so this says if an apple costs 13 cents each and an orange costs 11 cents each, sorry, it doesn't say if, it just tells us that. If I buy 5 more apples and oranges, and the total cost of apples and oranges is 2.33, write a linear equation involving the total cost. Okay, so apples are 13 cents and oranges are 11 cents, and I am buying 5 more apples than oranges. So let's call A the number of apples, and let's call B, no, let's go with capital, no, we'll go with B actually, because actually let's go lowercase. So little a, and B can be the number of oranges. Okay, so what we're doing here is we're defining our variables, which is an important part of forming our equations. So if I buy 5 more apples than oranges, so that means that apples is equal to oranges plus 5. And the total cost of apples and oranges is 2.33, so that means that 13 cents times the number of apples plus 11 cents times the number of oranges is going to be equal to 233 cents. Now it says write a linear equation. At the moment this isn't a single equation because I've got two equations, but what I can do is I can take what A is equal to and put it into this equation instead of A. So I can write it as 13, and then instead of A I'm going to write in brackets B plus 5 plus 11B equals 233, and that's my equation. I'm going to simplify it a little bit, so I've got 13B plus 65 plus 11B equals 233, and collecting like terms I've got 24B plus 65 equals 233. So that's my linear equation. It's not asking me to solve it, it's just asking me to write it. And I could have an equivalent equation with A's in it instead of B's as well. So the work that you have here, you'll see that it starts off telling you not to solve, and so just be careful that you are aware of what it's asking you to do, and have a go at those problems there.